We begin tonight at 5 with a couple of stories that are very big. First, breaking news, and we know many of you have been waiting a long time to hear this news. An FDA panel today, in fact, just a short while ago, approved Pfizer's vaccine for kids ages 5 to 11 years old. This is significant because this is the first COVID vaccine for kids under the age of 12.
And we know there's supposedly more coming. And of course, we turn to our senior health correspondent, Monica Robbins. And Monica, it's not like make those appointments tomorrow, get on the thing. There's still a couple hurdles to get over.
Slow your roll.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay, so this is essentially the first of 4 steps before the vaccine could be available to kids. The FDA is going to review the panel's decision and then make an official decision. They usually follow the panel's guidance, though. Then next Tuesday, the CDC advisory panel will discuss the vaccine. They will make their recommendation. Then the CDC will review it and make their official decision. So if all of them sign off, the Pfizer vaccine could be available to kids age 5 to 11 by the end of next week or the following week. So in today's vote, though, it's important to note there were 18 voters, 17 voted yes, and 1 abstained.
That's interesting. Okay, 2 things on this. Any word on possible mandates for kids 5 to 11 here, like we've seen in adults? And the second one is, do we have any idea, is there a research study, anything that tells us how likely parents are to actually get their kids vaccinated?
You know, we already know that California has come out and said it will mandate vaccines for 12 to 17-year-olds, but only after full FDA approval for that age group. I think we're going to have to wait and see if the FDA gives us any insight into mandates for little ones. Meanwhile, there was a survey from the Kaiser Family Foundation. It found 32% of parents are going to wait and see. 24% of parents said not going to get their kids vaccinated. So it's looking like maybe 1 in 3 are willing to get their kids vaccinated as soon as this becomes available.
All right. So more trepidation with parents towards vaccinating their kids than we are on vaccinating ourselves.
Yeah, I think, and remember, these aren't full doses, these are half doses, but this is seriously something every parent needs to discuss with their pediatrician. You know, there was some discussion about myocarditis with kids, and there was some discussion about maybe it's only good for kids who have underlying illnesses, but it's important to note that, you know, kids are getting COVID. There are more and more kids getting COVID, and in that particular age group, 94 kids have died. So, you know, it's something that for parents to consider, but at the same time, I mean, there's a long way to go.
Is that number nationally? 94
yeah,
kids
94
nationally?
Okay. Yeah.